I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at the difference between the SNOO sack, which I have on the side here, and the Sleepea Swaddle. So basically the main difference is that the SNOO sack is designed to go into your SNOO. I've got my SNOO over here, and it has these little wings that actually clip into the SNOO itself on the back. In contrast, the Sleepea Swaddle here is just designed to be used outside of the SNOO. So it's the same concept, Happiest Baby, where they're really emphasizing swaddling and many other techniques, especially in the 4th trimester, that 3 months after your baby is born. So these are designed to be used when your baby is maybe napping outside of the SNOO, and people just really love the design of these swaddles, and I think parents were starting to use them for naps and things even when your baby wasn't in the SNOO. So this Sleepea brings the same design and makes it something you can use even if you don't have a SNOO. So that's the main difference. Otherwise, they're basically the same type of swaddle. We have this breathable mesh at the bottom here and at the top. And you've got the same wings on the inside that keep your baby's arms contained. So this would open up. There we go. You would swaddle them inside of this, and there's pretty detailed instructions that come with each of these. I can grab that. Yeah, so it's giving you the detailed instructions for how to swaddle your baby. I'll try to demo this in a different video, but you can see this folds in, keeps their arms contained. This zips up, makes them into a nice little nugget, and this goes around their shoulders, their head coming out here. And again, with the sack, it's the same style. Same wings, same process, except you've got these extra wings on the side that clip into the SNOO itself. So that's the difference between Sleepea over here, outside of the SNOO use, and the SNOO sacks, which is put your baby in, clipped into the SNOO itself.